So you're either just getting on social media and you're trying to figure things out, or you're on social media but you're not quite getting the growth that you want. I want to share with you 4 social media mistakes that is killing the growth of your social media and probably killing you from getting the customers that you want. But first, I need you to please like this video, definitely subscribe. What those things do is help me bring more information like this to you and people like you that are wanting to grow their business and get more help on social media. My name is Lutalo K. I'm a social media strategist, so I really enjoy and like helping people get the information they need, whether it's networking, social media, and marketing, anything that's going to help grow their business. So let's get into it. Number one mistake: selling, constantly selling. Like you're on there and it's, you're posting about something you have, something you need, something you're selling, a product. And yeah, I would say that you're on social media to sell a product and a service, but constantly doing that is not going to be a way to sell. That's one of the biggest mistakes. If you're actually wanting to sell a product or service, actually just constantly putting it out there is not going to be the best way to do it. Number 2 mistake: not knowing your target market. You need to have a target. You need to have a focus. Who is it? The demographic, the age, the location, the gender. You need to really narrow down on a target. The more specific you are, the more successful you're going to be with really trying to grow. And that's a big mistake that's just killing your social media. The next thing is creating good content. You want to create good content. So going back to the selling, think about content that can help. How can you help? Like, I'm here to help. I'm here to help you. What is it? If you're in insurance, what's some good tricks and tactics that's going to help people when it comes to either getting life insurance or car insurance or health insurance? What are some behind the scenes things that people don't talk about or they rarely talk about? You want to make sure that you're giving good content that helps, that tips and tricks, content that solves the problem. That's just going to be a key thing. So one of the biggest mistakes is just not having that content that's going to help. And last but not least, posting consistently. You want to make sure that you're consistent with your post. How often are you going to post? You've got to decide that. Are you going to post once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week? Whatever that is, whether it's daily, you need to stay consistent with that. You don't want to post 2 or 3 days and you stop for a couple of weeks and you come back to it. That's a huge mistake when it comes to growth. You want to get into the algorithm. You want to get into just people following you and looking at you and looking at your content. You want to make sure you are consistent. So let's backtrack. Number 1, selling. Let's not do that. Number 2, target. Making sure you have a target. Number 3, good content. Doesn't have to be great content. You don't have to dance and sing. Just good content. And last but not least, posting consistently. So tell me in the comments, tell me what you think. Is there something that I missed that you think is a big mistake? Or do you agree that these 4 mistakes are really big when it comes to growing your social media? For more tips, suggestions on how to grow your social media, on how to network, on how to grow your business, definitely check out my other videos.